Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add friends on Monopoly Go that are already playing. So, first off, the easiest way to add friends is by connecting Monopoly Go with your Facebook account. Just go to the settings menu by clicking on the three-lined icon at the top right of the screen and click on settings. So you will see Facebook connect button at the bottom. Simply click on the Facebook icon and you'll instantly see all your Facebook friends who are already playing in your friends list. As you can see, I've already connected my Facebook account, so I will see all the friends that will be already playing the game. Now another method is to search by username. Simply ask your friend for their in-game username. Enter it in the friend search bar. So click on friends icon at the bottom right of the screen and click on the search icon here. As you can see, you can add existing players as friends with friend codes. Enter a player's friend code to send a friend request and share your friend code so others can add you as a friend. Simply ask your friend for their friend code, enter it here, click on OK, select search, and you'll get an option to add them to your friends list. Now, if you're looking to meet more players, consider joining Monopoly Go Facebook groups or other online communities. Many players are open to adding new friends and sharing usernames for easier invites. So you can navigate to Facebook and search for Monopoly Go groups. Now one more thing you can do is click on friends icon at the bottom right of the screen and you will see this page where you can click on the contacts icon and click on add contacts. After this, you'll have to enter your mobile number below in this field to play with your contact list. So all the friends that will be in your contact list will be shown in your friends list after you add your mobile number in this field and click on continue. And that's it. Now you know how to add friends who are already playing Monopoly Go. Start connecting, trading and building your game together. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and share it with your Monopoly Go buddies. Thanks for watching and happy playing.